Kung naghahanap nga rin kayo ng murang appliances, yung branded and trusted na, try nyo na nga dito sa warehouse ng Mang Cosme. Nag-offer sila dito ng up to 70% discount on selected items. And located nga lang to sa Concepcion Street, Barangay Buli, Muntinlupa. Bali friend, pwede kayo mag-walk-in dito, pwede rin kayo mag-order online. Kindly visit na lang ng official website nila, which is mangcosme.com. And yes, you heard it right, up to 70% discount sila dito, as in good condition pa, appearance, pasok pa yung quality and branded pa. May Carrier, Condura, Kelvinator, Medea, and Toshiba. May mga brand new na ref, 2-doors ref, may mga aircon, TV, automatic washing machine, may mga small appliances, cellphones, and marami pang ang iba.
Ito naman yung sample friend class A. Friend, from 65K, 48K na lang.
Ang 1 HP naman nito, 29,850, tapos 1.5, 31,500, also 2 horsepower, 39,195. Ito naman yung Crystal series ng split type na Harrier. 1 horsepower, 25,550, yung 1.5, 28,700. Ito po yung pinaka-basic inverter na split type.
And ang perfect nga dito kasi may testing area na sila wherein tinetest, check yung item na na-purchase ninyo, then they will discuss the appearance, warranty, and replacement ng item. And regarding payment method naman, pwedeng cash payment, GCash, pwedeng bank, and credit card. Kaya naman, kung naghahanap nga kayo ng bagsak presyo na appliances, yung good condition pa, maganda pa yung quality, yung proven and tested and trusted na, ito ngay marirecommend ko sa inyo. So ayun lang, bye!